Good morning. Today I'm going to show you my collection obsession, and I'm going to be using Mintay's White Christmas and then a few other things. So I'm going to give you a quick look at this. So there's page 1, and here's the back. Here's page 2. I just love their artwork. And here's the back. It's got crackle in it, little dots, stripes, so pretty. And this is page 3. Got a little squirrel up here. Oh, there's a squirrel over here on this one too. So pretty. It's almost the same, just in reverse, which is nice because sometimes I need the opposite side. And this is the back, and it's, what is this called? Eyelet? I think it's eyelet. And then number 4 is this window scene. Little bird and a squirrel. Beautiful floral. That's the back. This is number 5. And that is just so pretty. I love those colors together. And here's the back. Love, love, love this. And here's the cut apart. And they are so pretty. I just love all the colors. Love this little scene. So pretty. And it's got a Volkswagen. Gotta love that. Had 3 of them in my lifetime. And then the backs of that. And there is a cut apart sheet, but I've cut that apart. So I have those pieces here. I also have pieces that I cut from the 6x8. I decided I have to have the 6x8 just because that way I get extra embellishments, and that way you have some sheets that you can use to mat if you want a pattern to mat. And so you got this sweater, you got the plaid, you got a real pretty green, this blue with a cream dot, you got burlap, another floral. I bet it looks just like the blue one. Yeah, it looks like this because a lot of times they'll do it in a different colorway. And then Snowflake on blue. And then the tulle with the stars in it. And they've had this in one of the other ones before. And then another, well, it's like a heavy weave. It's not real burlappy. Burlappy, that new word. And I bet you this is like that other one back here. Yeah, it's just like this one, but with the white background. So that's beautiful. And I think that's it. And then let me show you the cut aparts in here. Okay, there they are. There's, oh, we didn't see that, did we? Oh no, because it's on the back of the cut aparts. Okay, so that's one of the cut aparts, and I've already got them cut out too. This here. So those are just super cute. I love the little mailboxes. And then there's this one here, and this is the other side of that, and I've cut those out too. And what's on the back of this? Oh, okay, I just didn't flip it over because that's the back part, and it looks like a sweater. Kind of like a man's sweater. And so here's the cut aparts that I've cut from the back of the intro sheet, or whatever you'd call it, the front. And then I have these cut aparts, and they're pretty much like what you get on the big sheet. So that's them. Okay, I had to change out my battery. Okay, and then this is the same shade of red, And these are from Hobby Lobby. What do they this is, what do they call them? Paper Studio. Yeah, that's it. And then I have these, and these are from, what is it? Flower Soft. This is from some of this Flower Soft company. I didn't save any of that. I gave it away. But, and the last time I purged the closet. So, anyhow, I thought this would be cute because we have the little post boxes. And so, and I have more than this, so I can always get more, but this is like my reminder, as Janet would say. And then I have these Santa Claus, and I actually have more of these. These are also from Paper Studio. I need to redo my nail polish. It's coming off now. I hate it when it starts peeling off and chipping away someplace. Okay. And then I have this box that I have Christmas stuff in. So it's like I've gone through all this and pulled out the stuff that's in my color range. So I had this flare in there. So I'm gonna put this in the kit. Oh, there's another reindeer. I can't open it. And then from Hobby Lobby, Paper Studio again, I'm sure, I have HoHoHo and little Santa heads, and they're painted, made out of wood. Whoops. I think I just shadowed it so you couldn't see it. So you get the HoHoHo and you get Santa Claus faces. And then I pulled out these washi because they're a good color match for the red and the green. And then this one here. So I have some red and green washi. And then I have gold reindeers and gold glitter. And then I have silver reindeer heads. Sorry. I thought I was going to make it through without coughing, but I guess not. Snowflakes, and then a silver glitter. So I'm just going to throw these back in here. And then I have these puffies, and they are from Paper Studio. And they have ice skates and gloves and hats. So I have to throw these in because I have, you know, the ice skater. And then I have these, and these are also, it doesn't say Paper Studio, but it does say Hobby Lobby. And I've had these for probably 2 years. They're a good color match for that red. So I'm gonna bring this along. I have these that they look like the little snow globes. Now, some of them are not the right color, but there are a couple in here that are well, these ones aren't, but these darker ones, actually that's not one. This is darker, this is darker, this is darker. So, or any of the ones with the green probably would match. So the darker green. So I'm gonna put this in my kit. I have snowflakes, which, you know, it doesn't have to be snowflakes for it to be Christmas, but I thought, well, I'll bring them along just in case. And then I had these Christmas words, and I think I had 2 of these. Now I might have, are they back to back? Oh yes. So I have 2 of these, and I think they came separately, but I must have bought 2. I probably got them at Tuesday morning. And then I have the Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas. And I think I had this. Did I buy it 2? I don't know. But this is like a whole set. So, and they're a good color match for the green and the red. And then I have, and this is Simple Stories. I'm not sure what company this is. It doesn't say. And then I have some Puffy stickers from Echo Park. That the colors are good. And then 2 from Carta. So I'm gonna bring along those. And that's my kit. So it's a pretty big kit. Oh, I was gonna throw in some just plain white paper. So I'll pull that in as I need it. And if I need another solid cardstock, I'll just bring those along if I need them. So that's it for today. And I'm looking forward to get to play with this collection because, you know, it's brand new. Have not done anything except for cut apart the embellishments and tried not to drool on them because they're so beautiful. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.